Hello, this is a continuation of Oracle installation. This is what I would expect to see you download and submit to YouTube and get your first grade on your first project one. Mine says after I downloaded it and I click on extracts, and the folder that I want to put it on was the F drive because I do not have enough space on the C drive. So I have to create this apps Dr. Peter A product folder and also add the 21C to it. If you don't see that, it might not work. So if you change from a C to F, you have to manually create the folder called app, your name, products, and the 21C version of the Express. So far so good. I click on the settings. Oh yes, settings, and the setup is the one that run this program. Installing Oracle 21 Express Edition 21C. The progress right now, configuration Oracle XE database component is 47 complete. So you will have to wait until it is 100% complete. We'll come back to it. So be patient, it takes a while. Hello, if you take a look at the screen, after the install is done, it will say Oracle database installed successfully. Repeat, successfully. And it has multi-tenant container database is called localhost, and the port number is 1521. Its pluggable database localhost is 1521. Express PDB1. P mean pluggable, DB mean database 1. And the Enterprise Manager EM Express URL is localhost 550 AM. Before you click finish, I want you to do a screenshot of that so that you have information about your database. So you can put that on your assignment you'll be sending to me as an attachment. So you go to PDF or Paintbrush and you paste that, and I want you to save that so you can send that to me so that I know that if you have a problem, I know where your files are located. You file, you click on save. We want to save that as a JPEG. We want to put that on the class folder 2216. So this is called database info. Database info. If you don't have that, you will not be able to access your database. All right, so keep that in mind. Now once you're done, you want to be able to click finish. When you hit finish, you want to go to your C prompt or even the F prompt and try out SQL SQL plus / no log. Okay, if you say file is not found, at least you can figure that out where the files are located. Let's try the C drive part. Go to C colon that SQL plus / no log. Okay, the reason that is to go to F again. Let's go find where the files are located. dir. We have a file called cd21c. We have the bin. We're looking for the bin directory. We do cd db homexe bin directory db homexe. There are. We're looking for the bin folder, bin directory. These are all the Oracle file. The bin folder is right there. So you're gonna do cd bin, 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 dir. You're looking for SQL plus. See where is it at? SQL plus. It's under S. SQL plus. See, make sure it's there. There you go. SQL plus. Hit enter. Now it asks you for username, you use system. It asks you for the password, you use Oracle. The number 4. I'm sorry, the number of Oracle. Capital ORACLE 4 capital U. Hit enter. Yes. Once you see the SQL prompts, that means you have successfully installed the Oracle, and that's all I want to give you a grade. Even if you don't want to record everything, if you can simply get to the C prompt and also give me your finished screenshot, and that's good enough. Thank you. I'm gonna let you see this as well.